Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now while I'm on here today, I thought I might go and put up another. I'm going to relist this and another book. The other one was going to be sold, but the person didn't want it. This one here I took out because I thought I was going to give it as a gift, but then I changed my mind. So this is going back in my Etsy store. This is my journal that I made because I wanted to, and it's fun, and it's only little, and it's... Let me see, how big is this? God bless me, if I'd have a rule, it'd be good, wouldn't it? Oh, here we go. Can't see it because it's see-through. 6 by 4 and a bit. Okay, so this has actually got a closure that is sari silk. Really, really nice, beautiful. And on here, this is a sari off the saris that I purchased this from India, and so is that there bit. And then the back of it is something really cool that I don't know where I got, but it's nice, isn't it? I have this really little tiny bubble hanging down there. Okay, so inside here I have a tuck spot, and this is for journaling on, and then you can just put your name in that there. And that's pretty basic. And there's a flipping out piece. And on this one here I have a tag, and that was made for me by Pam. Pam made me that, didn't you, Pam? I hope I got that right. And this is a really nice piece, little tag there, and a stamp. I put a stamp on, I put a bit of sari silk. This one here, I was trying to figure out, what have I done here? That's a brad, and I've put that on, but I put it on then that over top so you can't see. It says, in the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. Life is so much better when you are laughing, and that is true. And this here is a piece of washi tape. So there's a other side of that piece of paper, of course, that goes right through there, and there's some journaling space. I have a little bird up here, and on that I have a bit of sari silk, and there's a little tiny purse. Maybe I can afford to come in a bit. Righto. Go back here. Okay, so there's a little purse and a little bell on that page. Over here I have more sari silk and bits and pieces. And in here then, see, this is where you can put a picture. And there's more writing space. And there's some washi tape there and there. This one here I have a tuck there, and in these I have some little papers that you can write on. Beautiful piece of paper, I like that. Then I have a bit of washi tape, and this washi tape, if it depends what you put on, the colour comes out different. Like if it's white, it's a lot lighter, and because the blue makes the bird a lot bluer. And anyway, so I've got that sitting there. This piece of washi tape here is just there for decoration because that's really cool. And there's a little bulb pin on that. And there's this one here, and I do not have a tag. And you just thought I had a spare one somewhere. I'll use this one, so that can be a tuck spot in there. Okay, so I did this tag. I've got it there, a bit of Edith Holden paper. And there's another piece. And this is, it says believe, of course, the B, and there's some writing space in there, and that goes in there like so. Okay, so this one here pulls down for you to write in, and then you just tuck it up under there when you're not writing down. That's a bit of Edith Holden paper there as well, out of a bit of music paper out of one of my scrapbooks. There's another piece of scrapbook paper. This is a pin, you know, one of those I should remember to put this back in here. Paper clip. You can stick something up underneath there. There's a nice rabbit. It's nearly Easter time, so I suppose that's why he's in here. I don't know. There's one of my little books that I made that I haven't got around to putting in anything as yet. And so I did. I made this tiny little book. So that's that one. I'll tie that back up. Must fasten that too there, hey, so it doesn't go anywhere. You just have to be, I'll give it a stitch. I'll put a little stitch in it so it won't come undone and get lost. I've got 2 seconds to do that because that's all it's going to take me. You don't want it to get lost, do we? Righto. Now, can I sneak up under here somewhere? Yeah, I can. Sneak the needle up under there. Put a knot in it, Sonia, so it doesn't come through. I want to get on here and do some tutorials. I've been cooking the stomach for a while now, but I've just, thank goodness, started to get better. I'm hoping it's going to get better for me, so I'm starting to feel much better now than what I was. You know, you got something the matter with you and you don't know what it is, and we discovered it must be because I've had too many antibiotics and they killed off all my good bacteria, and now I've got none. So I'm taking some, drinking this stuff Jeremy bought for me, and I've been a whole lot better. It's fixing me. My technical support's turned into my practical my healthcare doctor, something. There we go. So I've tied that on there. I've sewn it, as you can see, so it won't go anywhere because we don't want that to happen, do we? Righto. Now, there's a frilly bit and some little sequins. Here's another tag that I made. I think I made that out of serviette. And this one flips up because that is actually a piece of top of the bag that I've got, an envelope that I've got in here. We'll come to that. There's some washi and some paper, just to put a little bit of interest on the page. There's a PPI there. Here's another like a end bit. So this is really cool, I think, because then when you want to find something, you can remember where you put it by the ticket that's on there. So then I've got this piece here. Here's a tuck spot. That's another piece of Edith Holden. That's just a piece for decoration there. That nice piece of sari silk. This is a lovely tag here. Don't know where I've got that, or if I made, don't know. And a place for putting it in. These, I just stuck a piece of fabric on these. It looks really cool, I thought, and just cut off around it. And I put that on the Edith Holden paper, butterfly. There's the other side of that Edith Holden piece, and I've got these little sayings on the paper, and I've put brads on that and close that up there. And then there's that piece with the sari silk, and there's a piece of the sari silk, because mostly that's what's in here, I think. It's the sari fabric, because I really wanted to make something like that. Now this one here must be playing the fool with me too. Now look at that, I can't get it out. There we go. The slightest thing and you've got stuck. I haven't pulled anything off it, so it must be fine. I really love that piece. It was in a book, that picture. So this is the top of that, I said I had a tuck spot here. There. See, I used that there because you can lift it up and journal on it. I cut that off this here, so you could use it. I could use it. This is a piece of a very fine napkin or a serviette thing somebody sent me. Very fine it was. It's like tissue paper. So I put that picture on there because I really liked it. Really liked that. Places for journaling and putting your photos. I'm not sure if there was something on there. Was there something on there? Maybe not. Maybe that's just sitting there so you can put something on there. Okie dokie. So then there's this one here, and there's another piece of the Edith Holden, which I didn't realise I used that much in this, but I have. Okay, so there's some tuck spots there. Tuck spot with some tags. You can journal on. Piece of paper. This is just something that I put in there as one of my, it's just a sheep on the phone. I just put that sometimes my personality gets out of control. This is just a tuck spot. It's not a belly band, and that is actually a sticker. So you can take that and use it. So I've got this other saying on there, and that's the other side of that nice piece of paper. And then I've got bits and pieces, and then a little nest of those, just to give you some sort of a, I don't know, something on your page to start with. Nice piece of paper. This is a fortune teller. This is not actually a gypsy book, but it has got a boho tones to it, hasn't it? Probably boho, do you think? I could call it that. And there's a card there for journaling on. There's a thing, and this is held on by a paper clip. These things that Sonia has in. I have things in here, okay? Sorry about that. And there's one in there. Be yourself. To be beautiful means to be yourself, and that is so true. And this one I made last year. Actually, it was my number 4 journal, and I wrote that in there, and I should keep doing that, shouldn't I? Because otherwise, people won't know. Oh, well, they will know, but this is only the 4th one that I've made. I have this ticket here that I took out of somewhere. I want to put it back. How about that? That's it. Anyway, people can move their bits and pieces around if they want to. You don't have to leave things where I put them. Okay? So thank you everybody for watching, and this will be on my Etsy store very shortly. As far as I know, I just have to take some photos of it now because I do have some, but I don't know. You've got to do things justice. It's not really that easy, but I will have a look and see. Now the other one that I've taken out of my store was my where is it now? Thumbelina one. Because I was keeping that for somebody, but they don't want that now, and that's not very handy for me, is it really? What are you going to do? I mean, people, what have I done with it? Okay, so I'll come back on here another time and put it up when where did I put that? It's a minute ago, but I can't put it on this video anyway because it'll make it too long. So I'll talk to you later, okay? So everybody have a good day, and thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk later. Bye-bye.